SL22 regular size. Okay, code sis sa long-long naman natin. Ang gaganda ng long-long. O long-long sis 1. LL1. LL2. And LL3. Okay, LL1, 2, and 3. Sis, yung Mickey 11, yes, is regular size. Papatanong ako love ng long-long kung magkano. Long. Okay. Okay, for long sis 790 ha. Okay, code is long 790. Okay, code is long or LL1. Ganda nitong 1 sis, kuha kayo nito. LL number 2 and LL number 3.
Yan lang tatlo.
Tatlo lang sis ang long. Yun lang sis ang design. Magaganda naman lahat ang design. Okay, code is LL1. Code is LL2. Yung SL750, yung long 790. Okay, LL number 3. Sis, ano po yung long? Ito si long. Long sleeves, then long pants po siya. Ang code sis is LL, code LL1. We have LL2 and LL number 3 po. For 790 sis, code LL plus color. Magaganda sis yung long. Kala ko madaming design yung long. Ito big. This one big size. Regular size. This one.
Key size.
Okay.
Asan yung one? 2 piece.
This one. One.